What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about a product that we are going to review. I am going to be reviewing the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in color 382 Black Brown. It is a pomade that you use for your eyebrows. So if you're one of those girls who's not really great at drawing on your eyebrows, I do not suggest getting this product. I do suggest getting more of a pencil so you can have more control. But if you are an expert in doing your own eyebrows, then I surely do recommend this product. To me, I wouldn't say that it has a 24-hour hold, but I would say that it does has at least a 8 to 10 hour hold. So I wouldn't recommend going swimming in this unless you have some type of brow gel or some type of emollient to help it make it stay. It is sweat friendly. I have worn this while working out and my eyebrows didn't move, but I wouldn't go swimming in this unless I put on something over top of it. I absolutely love the brush and the spoolie that comes with it. The brush is the tip of the brush, the bristles are very short, and not only that, but they're very sleek, so you can draw lines perfectly without it being too thick or too thin. The product is very controllable. Not only that, it comes with a spoolie as well for you to brush up your eyebrows. We're actually going to put a little bit more on today, right now, so you can see the control of it. It's very, very smooth. The product itself is very smooth. I wouldn't say that this product is ever proof if, like I said, if you're not someone who normally draws on their eyebrows. I do not suggest you do this. I do suggest you getting more of a pencil. The product ranges anywhere between $13 to $14 depending on your geographical location. But for the most part, I absolutely do like this product. I have been wearing it for about 2 to 3 weeks now. And I love the fact that it comes with this brush. So you can brush away product or brush on more product depending on how you like your eyebrows. This is the color in Black Brown. This is the darkest color. They do have a shade lighter than this. So if you don't like your eyebrows to be this dark, I do suggest getting the brown color versus the black brown. I love the packaging. I like the brush. Like I said, I wouldn't go swimming in this, but you can work out and go to the gym with this. I love the architectural brush and the fact that it came in black and not white. And the packaging was pretty cute too. And not only that, it's pretty affordable. So yes, here at I Am Brittany W, I will give this I would give it a B+. I wouldn't give it an A because I can't go swimming in it, but I would give it a strong B. A little brow gel goes a long way with it. It is very, very smooth as far as what you saw the line goes, but not only that, it comes in a very cream. You know what I would compare it to? I wouldn't compare it to the Morphe one, but I would compare it to the Anastasia Eyebrow Beverly Hills. I would compare it to that as far as the texture and stuff goes. Yeah, so there you have it. Here's my review on the Maybelline Tattoo Studios. I do recommend this product. It is really good. Remember, not waterproof for swimming. Sweatproof though for the gym. Okay, that's all the time that we have for today. Don't forget to check out more of my other videos right down here. Okay, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.